Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Akwox tempered glass screen protectors for Sony mirrorless cameras. I ordered the 3-pack, so I received 3 sets of cleaning wipes, 3 sets of guide stickers, and 3 glass screen protectors. These tempered glass screen protectors are thin and lightweight and perfectly clear, allowing you to protect your camera's LCD from scratches and damage from impacts. Here's my Sony a6300, and I'll show you just how easy the installation is. First, use the alcohol wipe marked 1 to clean the camera's LCD screen and remove any oils, dirt, and debris. It helps to pop the eye cup off so you can better access the screen. Then use the dry wipe marked 2 to gently dry off the screen. Using the large sticker, grab any dust that may be lingering on the screen. The glass protector is sized precisely for the LCD. To ensure proper alignment, place the screen on first, then use the 2 guide stickers to hold the position by sticking them onto the bottom of the camera and partway onto the glass. Then lift the glass and remove the backing film to expose the adhesive. Now you can set the glass back down in the same position for a perfect fit. Here's how the display looks through the glass. As you can see, the image and icons are clear and nothing is blurry. Since I've had the glass on my camera for about 6 months now, you can see there's a tiny chip here in the corner, and the protector is starting to spiderweb but still in good condition. Better the screen than the LCD, so it's doing its job and it was quick and easy to install. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.